I came out with a saying: no one should complain but the editors. Because whatever happens after shoot, that's when they come in and clean it up. Boats Against the Current, final year project, is indeed the most ambitious and emotionally draining short film in my entire 3 years. The director drafted up to 13 drafts of the script, don't ask me how. We were initially in the first cycle, but because of a lot of problems in pre-pro, which I will explain later, we got pushed back to the second cycle. Throughout the process, many things were taken out from the edit, like the test shot of the car rigs, nice cutaways for the edit. True enough, pre-production was a major killer. Daniel, the character playing as Vincent, was apparently only found 1 day before production. Anyway, just when we thought it was bad, production was also a major killer. 7 days of shoot, 3 days of reshoot, entire weekend used to build up the set, you know, the art gallery, yes, that's a real set. The moment we arrive on work, work starts. Time was not on our side and we have to prepare fast, and fast. Despite that, I think I was thankful for the weather was constantly in our favor. Our schedule didn't overrun too much. Post-production now, major killer of all, that's me. There are times of editing when you just get on your nerve. No! Oh, so bad! And there are better times. Wait, I fixed it! Oh, I fixed it, man! However, the results are still the same, unfortunately. As an editor, I always believe editing cannot make the story more understanding, neither can it make talent's performance better. However, what I believe editing can do is to present the story in a different way. Overall, it really doesn't matter how the final product looks like or whether we win a festival or we win some money. Aside from all that, what I really hope for in production is I can work with my crew again even after school ends. I hope there are projects out there waiting to bring us back together. All thanks to my lovely crew. That's right, BATC crew, thanking you. And I love you guys, don't forget that.
Take one.
Whoa, intensity!
Action!